Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get 20 to 30 leads on daily basis for free. So you don't have to spend any money on advertisements because I'm going to show you guys the method where I use, and pretty much all internet marketers are using this, and you can build a list like at least 10,000, 20,000 by just doing this on daily basis. But it's going to take some time and hard work to do this because the money you can make with your list is very high, because you can sell affiliate products, you can also sell your own product, or else you can sell CPM marketing, or else you can also drive the traffic back to your blog, and you can make money with uh, other ways. It's totally going to depend on how you're going to monetize your list. But when you have a list, it's a lifetime asset. Like you can make people are making like 100,000, 200,000 a month from just having a list, because you're not relying on other sources like YouTube, Facebook, or else Google ranking, because they might take your account down, or else something bad happens, the traffic source is gone. That's the reason of building your list. If you're someone who's just getting started and you don't have money to do Facebook ads or else CPM marketing, just go for this, because this is the easiest way to move your business from $0 to $1,000 a month, or else $2,000, $3,000. It's really easy when you have at least 5,000, 10,000 people on your list. Before that, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and never been to this channel before, this is the channel where we talk about how to make money online. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon so you will get notification from me when I upload a new video to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some live proofs and live examples on how people are doing this, and I'm going to break down their funnel, so how they're making their money and how they're collecting their leads and pretty much everything. So if you're someone who's just getting started, this is the best way to make $100, $200 a day, guys, because if you don't have enough funds to run Facebook ads, like when it comes to Facebook ads, you need to spend a lot to understand how things work. Like you have to test a lot. Like you should put in $20, $50 on daily basis without expecting any return on investment. So if you don't have the funds to spend on Facebook ads, then it's really tough for you to go on advertisement method. Let me show you guys the best way to get leads today. So in this case, we're going to use Facebook. So you need to join Facebook groups, because mostly groups like this will have 100,000, 200,000 visitors, sorry, the members on it. Like you can see it here, the Affiliate Marketing Worldwide. So this group has almost you can see it here, 143,000 members, guys. Let me show you guys how people are doing this. So this one, you can see it here. So it's someone called Tango. I have started affiliate marketing program 8 days ago. So I made $500 from this affiliate offer. So he's sharing his experience, and you can see it here, he's sharing his results on the group. So you can see it here, if you comment below, I'll send it. So he's asking the viewers to comment below. So you can see it here, this one got so far 3 comments, like info PM sent. Here we go, here you can see it here. So this is the call to action for this post. So the best thing about Facebook is, if you don't have links, you can see it here, this post doesn't have any links. Like they're not taking them away from Facebook. So this post will perform better than a link post. Let me show you guys. So this is a link post. So it's from admin, so we can't compare this. If you share a link post on Facebook, it's going to cut your reach. If you don't have, you can see it here, this one, he's not having any link on it, so it's almost reached 170. He almost got 174 comments and 35 likes. So the next one, you can see here, this one, there's a reason why they're not leaving a link, because when they type info, they'll reach them and they'll send them a message saying, you will receive a message saying your free training or else your free PDF, something like that. He mentioned here, you can see here, I'll give you everything you need, including free ones, mentoring. So you can see here, so he's going to give his information to you for free for the exchange of his lead. So mostly he will send you a link. Mostly it will collect your email address, and from there he will be sending you emails on daily basis, and he'll make the conversion. Because when it comes to email leads, like you can't make money on the day one. Like you need to follow up for at least like 30 days, or else for the first 7 days. So that's how you're going to make money from your lead. So let me show you guys what tool you're going to use for this. So for this one, you're going to use Aweber. Aweber has 30-day free trial on it. If you are someone who's totally new, link in the description. Get it. It has 30-day free trial, and it's beginner friendly. That's the reason I'm suggesting Aweber. So if you're someone who's interested, link in the description. And so this is going to be the best way for you to get leads, like 10 to 20 leads on daily basis. So you can see it here. He just posted this, and like in the last 57 minutes he almost got 3 leads. You can see it here, this one, he, and 4, 5. So 5 people have commented, so he should have collected the emails from them. So let me show you guys the second best way, which is YouTube. YouTube is the second best way to collect your leads, because on YouTube, people are searching for the stuff. They're not in social media like Facebook. They are searching for stuff, and they are showing interest, that they are interested in the market. So let me show you guys some examples on. Let me go to Freedom Influencer. Freedom Influencer is a big YouTuber. Like he has like 233,000 subscribers. Let me show you guys how he collects a lead. So this is his video, and you can see it here. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. So he's asking us to click here. So if you click here, it's going to take us to a landing page. Let me show you guys the landing page. So it's loading. So you can see it here. This is a landing page, and if you click this, he's going to collect your email address. So let me show you guys. You can see it here, some pop-up, and so if someone types their email address, they're going to take into a bridge page where he's going to sell a affiliate product to you, and there'll be a button like this there, and if you click that, it's going to take it to a offer. So you don't need to be a tech savvy to do this. This is some basic funnels you're seeing here. It's like if someone clicks here, they're going to go to the bridge page, and after that they're going to take into an affiliate offer. So let me show you guys how this works. So to make this happen, all you need is a website. Like this one, he hosted this on WordPress. Yeah, it's a WordPress site. So mostly you can get a WordPress site for $3 per month, which is nothing on what you can make with that. So you can see it here. So let me show you guys the traffic source he have. So he's sending 138,000 monthly visitors to this page, guys. Just think about the possibilities on how many people will opt into this list. Mostly he should have made at least, you can see it here, last month 218,000 people. So this month 138,000. So on consistently he's sending 200,000. So the sources is social media, which is going to be YouTube. So the possibilities are extremely limitless, because when you have a list of 10,000 people on your email list, it can it's easy to make you $100 to $200 on daily basis. But this guy is sending like 100,000, 200,000 to his opt-in page, and mostly like he should have at least more than 100,000 email list on his autoresponder. So mostly he already said that in his video that he's making thousands and thousands of dollars on daily basis. He's making well over $3,000 on daily basis. So let me show you guys how this works. All you need is a WordPress site or else ClickFunnels. So these are the funnels. On ClickFunnels you can create funnels. On WordPress you need to do it manually. So it's really easy to do this on both platforms. So you can find the links in the description for the ClickFunnels and for the Bluehost, where on Bluehost you can get a hosting for like $2.75 a month, guys. So just think about it, because and it's really easy for you to make the money back in like 3 or 4 days, because you need to send the mails on daily basis. So that's how you're going to use that lead to make money with it. So so mostly you'll be sending traffic to a landing page. So this is going to be the landing page. So if you're someone who's using Facebook or else YouTube or else Reddit, Pinterest, the concept is pretty simple. Like this is gonna be your traffic source, and you need to send them to the landing page. So this is gonna be our landing page. So from landing page you'll be collecting the email leads from here, and you need to send them to a bridge page. This is where you're going to pre-sell them offers. Like you can sell ClickBank, or else you can also sell BizOps, CPA marketing from Maxbounty. You can do that. And this is going to be your bridge page. From bridge page they're going to go to the offer page. This is going to be the sales page they're going to land. So this is going to be the sales page. So you might make some conversions through this funnel, or else you are not going to make any conversions. But the main purpose of this funnel is to collect the leads, because at this point you'll be having their leads. So you'll be having their email leads here. So all you need to do is you need to send them emails on daily basis, or else like every 2 days. So on that case, you gotta need a autoresponder like this. So you'll be sending them email leads through autoresponders. Like you have to send them back to the sales page, or else to the bridge page. Like if you do this for like for the next 10-20 days, and mostly you're going to get some conversions, and you need to just rinse and repeat this, like send traffic and send them through the funnel and send them emails on daily basis. So you're going to get makes money from this, because people are making money from this. That's the reason I'm showing you guys this funnel. So YouTube is the second best way to get a lot of leads on daily basis, and Facebook is also second best platform. But the best thing about YouTube is YouTube has a lot of organic reach. Like YouTube is going to push your videos on daily basis. From YouTube you can get leads on daily basis, because YouTube is going to push your videos on daily basis, and the organic reach is still there, so you're going to get free leads on daily basis. And pretty much that's all, guys, and this is how you're going to collect 20 to 30 leads on daily basis. So if you're someone who's interested, do click the link in the description, the first link. You'll get my #1 recommendation to your email address on daily basis. So before that, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you give a like to this video and do subscribe. If you have any questions, do hit that like button and leave a comment. I'll be answering them, and see you guys in the next video.